With the rise of artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things, data has become the key foundation for many revolutionary technologies. For instance, Uber's multi-billion-dollar worth is largely due to data. However, it is not enough to just have data. One must know how to use it to draw useful insights and solve problems, which is where data science comes in. Data science is the process of using data to find solutions or predict outcomes. One of the ways data science is implemented is in Uber's pricing algorithm, which uses data to predict surge pricing in certain neighborhoods to get more drivers on the road and maximize the number of rides provided. The process of data science always starts with understanding the business requirement or problem statement, followed by data collection. Then, unnecessary data is removed during data cleaning, and data exploration and analysis are conducted. Next, a machine learning model is built in the data modeling stage, which is trained with customer records. Afterward, data validation is conducted to test the model and fix any issues before it is eventually deployed and optimized. Data science has a range of applications, including in e-commerce platforms like Amazon and Flipkart. Additionally, data science is the foundation for Netflix's recommendation system, as well as self-driving cars, virtual assistants, credit card fraud detection, and health monitoring devices. Because of the high demand for data scientists, big companies like Microsoft, IBM, Facebook, and Google have thousands of job vacancies in this field, and salaries can range from $100,000 to $282,000 depending on skills, level of experience, and company. The skills required to become a data scientist include statistics, programming languages, data processing, machine learning algorithms, big data processing frameworks, data visualization tools, and more. In conclusion, data science has become an essential part of many industries and technologies, and becoming a data scientist can lead to a promising career with great job opportunities and high salaries.